Spirit Horse, we have heard 107 children speak the first word of their lives. We have seen 63 walk for the first time, most of which the doctors said would never walk, and 54 set up for the first time, and 10 children who measured autistic in blinded measurements measured non-autistic after only 10 weeks of intervention.
Mason has autism, so a lot of what kind of keeps him, from doing a lot of things are behavioral issues and following directions and doing steps that you need to do to complete a task. And so he has to do all those steps in order to get on and ride the horse, which is very reinforcing, obviously.
People with disabilities, particularly children, have a very accessible spirit, and the horses feel that accessible spirit, and they can communicate.
I was scared of almost everything, and after a few years I started getting better, and the horses helped me being shy a little bit and helping me open up. The connection with the horses probably helps you a lot with whatever you're going on with, and they just love you no matter what.
We serve clients here from very, very young to very, very old. So I have many individuals with autism, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, spina bifida. We actually serve a really wide range of disabilities. So we have almost 150 different diagnoses represented by our population.
Coming here to Spirit Horse will give me the opportunity to know that there is hope at the end of the tunnel for me, and people like me. There's a lot of soldiers that suffer from PTSD that I call it the silent disability because no one sees it. And it's rough. It's definitely rough. Getting back into society, trying to hold down a job, and trying to get your family to understand what's going on with you.
At Spirit Horse, we instill a work ethic into these children that they can accomplish, they can overcome, they carry all their tack, they clean up their horse, they become a part of the process. So in a sense, that horse is theirs. We provide an opportunity for parents to see their children accomplish things they never would accomplish in any other venue.
All of our lessons are free of charge to our clients. We do not charge 1 penny for any one of our clients here at Spirit Horse. We're the only center in the world that does that. We have 85 centers around the world, and we have laid out a map to expand our impact beyond the United States, well beyond the United States, and have an impact globally.
We have 85 on the waiting list right now. We need about $100,000 to get those 85 off the waiting list.
Spirit Horse has given me my life back. I used to be so active, and I've been at home on the couch for quite a while because I haven't been able to have that activity. And this gave me some sense of a workout. It gave me some sense of progression, and I'm going to get back to me. It's taking longer than I would like. I don't have control over that, but this is giving me my chance to heal.
Desi loves coming out here. She loves seeing the horses and riding them. She's had special connections with several horses over the years. So it's been very great for her, helping her through her surgeries that she's had to have over the years and getting her balance back.
I don't know if you can tell, but my little boy was born with trisomy 21, also known as Down syndrome. And his core is not very strong. His balance is not very great. And as a mother, as you can imagine, I really want to look for the best things that would help him. And when we found Spirit Horse, I was truly amazed, and I couldn't believe that Mr. Charles would do this, just as a nonprofit and just to bless these children. And so I was very excited.
Let's get in 2 point. 2 point. All right, now stand up. This hand on hip. This hand on hip.
Say hello.
All right, stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! High five. Good job, Nathaniel. That's the next step. You got it.